Hello, family and scholars. If you are in need of another language other than English, at the bottom where you see the two C's, CC, that's closed captions, you can change this video into the language of your choice. This video is to let you guys know, first of all, thank you for sending your scholar in person to receive instruction this school year. We thank you for trusting us through this process, and we thank you for empowering your scholars and ensuring that they have what they need in order to be successful. Based on recent MAP test scores from your scholar's winter MAP test, your scholar is in need of structured small group time during school. That time will begin next week, so what that looks like will vary from class to class, but essentially this is what you can expect or anticipate for your scholar. During your scholar's class time, at least once a week, they will be in breakout rooms. At least 2 to 3 scholars will be with me in breakout rooms, receiving specific instruction based on whatever our assignments are for that week. So if we're working on reading comprehension, your scholar will work with me between 15 and 20 minutes once a week, getting individualized, structured instruction based on whatever TEKS we're going over. So if it's vocabulary focused, if it is reading comprehension that we're focusing on, or if it's different genres that we're focusing on, I'm going to break that up into a smaller assignment and then work one-on-one with your scholar. Work one-on-one in breakout rooms with your scholar during class time. Should you have any questions about structured small group or any questions about your scholar's MAP test, please send me an email or a text message. I'll be glad to talk to you about your questions or concerns. If you don't have any questions, please know that moving forward next week, your scholar will have, during class time, during our 90-minute class time, your scholar will have at least 20 minutes with me and 2 other scholars working one-on-one in breakout rooms to ensure that your scholar understands, not just understands the text, but is able to articulate his understanding of the text and also then put it into practice during doing small tasks such as answering questions accurately with at least 75% accuracy. Also being able to perform Flipgrid videos that shows and demonstrates his understanding of key academic vocabulary and reading comprehension skills. But if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Thank you again. Have a great day. Bye for now.